Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting guide for you that's going to take your Samsung Smart TV experience to a whole new level. Are you ready to unlock a world of entertainment possibilities? Great! Let's dive into it. Before we get into the installation process, let's talk about why having YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV is a game changer. Imagine watching your favorite YouTubers, vlogs, music videos, and even workout tutorials on the big screen. It's like bringing the entire YouTube universe right into your living room. All right, let's get down to business. Here's a step-by-step guide to installing YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV. It's super easy, I promise. Step 1. Power on your Samsung Smart TV and make sure it's connected to the internet. You need that fast connection for uninterrupted streaming. Step 2. Using your remote, find and open the App Store or Smart Hub on your TV. This is where all the magic happens. Step 3. Use the search function to look for the YouTube app. Once you find it, click on Install. The app will start downloading automatically. Congratulations! You've just added YouTube to your Samsung Smart TV, and there you have it, folks. Installing YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV is a breeze and opens up a world of entertainment possibilities. From cat videos to cooking tutorials, the possibilities are endless. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy streaming. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that subscribe button and stay connected with us on social media for the latest updates. Check out our other videos for more awesome content. Please note that app availability may vary by region and TV model. Make sure to check the compatibility of your Samsung Smart TV before installation.